Right, so Sunday will be all about the Chiefs, but tonight it's all about the Friday Night Lights.
Absolutely. North Kansas City's football team stays fueled up for game days thanks to a former Mizzou player. KSHB 41 News reporter Todd Palmer listened to the voices of North KC players and coaches and got the scoop.
The North Kansas City football team has been hungry for success this fall.
All together as a team, we've just been playing phenomenal this year, I'd say.
NKC is 5-1 this season, averaging 52 points per game. Ironically, not being hungry on Friday nights has helped the Hornets swarm.
The environment we're in, realistically, we have to make sure our kids eat.
That's why Joyner started having pregame meals catered, one of up to 4 meals NKC provides players each week.
I think it's a fair bet to say that if we didn't do what we do, I would probably say 60% of our kids might not eat on Thursdays and Fridays.
A lot of guys don't eat school lunch, so a meal before our game helps the guys eat.
Lucas Vincent, who played at Mizzou and left a career in education this summer to take over just another catering company from his mom, fuels up the Hornets on Fridays.
We got chicken pot pie here. So, you got your standard mixture of, your veggies, chicken, cream of chicken, all the seasonings, make it taste good.
It's a personal mission for Lucas, a former high school coach.
I'd see kids come in, McDonald's, Taco Bell, walking down the street to Casey's, Quick Trip, getting taquitos, Takis, all these things before it's time to go out there and perform at a high level.
I used to make sure I called my mom and I would just be like, can I get some Gatorade, maybe some Doritos, stuff like that. Very unhealthy stuff. I'm not going to lie to you.
The pregame food is more than a meal.
Kind of gets our guys energized.
Ever since he brought food, it was just like, you've seen us working harder. Our mental was always there. Played better, played smarter, and just all together as a team.
Our kids aren't out there with an empty stomach.
That really helped with buy-in of them really understanding that we cared. We're definitely reaping the benefits right now from that.
The Hornets hope to sting Oak Park on Friday night in North Kansas City. Todd Palmer, KSHB 41 News.